What's going on, everybody? We are back. Sorry I was late. I had to go to the bathroom, but we're good now. We've got Dark Bro first in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro, Slayer JC, Dark Bro, Pika Power, Dark Bro, Slayer JC, Pika Power, Slayer JC, Pika Power, Slayer JC. Chris, man, what's happening? Pika Power, Dark Bro. We've got Chris, Slayer, Dark Bro, Pika Power, Dark Bro, Slayer, Pika, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Moji. What's going on, Moji? Didn't see you earlier. Dark Bro, Pika, Outdoor Smile. We've got Dark Bro, Moji, Pika, Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Moji, Outdoor, Dark Bro, Outdoor, Dark Bro, Slayer, Rozzy, man, Slayer. We got Kai, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Outdoor, Slayer. We've got Kai, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Slayer, Rozzy, Tim, Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Tony, Kai, Outdoor Smile, Slayer, Tim, Outdoor Smile, Dark Bro, Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, Pika is first in the chat and in our hearts. I don't know about you guys. Pika is first in my heart, so hopefully she's first in your heart as well. Outdoor Smile, Kai, Slayer, Nufo, Dark Bro, Crypto, Lee, Slayer, Pika, and Kai. Oh my gosh. I love it when you guys are active in the chat before we even jump in here, man, making me do some work on that one. Appreciate all you guys for being in here. Checking on the market right now. AMC finishing the day at $5.36, down 2.64%. Shiba Inu coin up, and away, sitting at $11.50 at the moment. GameStop finishing the day lower, 5.42%. Look, where's Bitcoin? Oh, it's off the chart to the upside right now. Bitcoin sitting at $22,948 per coin. Looking good. 1.39% higher. Very nice gains today. The NASDAQ finishing lower, yes, but a lot less lower than it was earlier today. The NASDAQ was down about 2% this morning, sitting at 0.18% lower on the day. 11,311 points per coin. BR Therapeutics sitting at 4.62. Ethereum up. Shiba up. Dogecoin up. Bitcoin up. Things are looking good in the crypto space right now, guys. I'm telling you. Sundial sitting at 229. Mullen Auto 34. Mullen Auto jumping up towards the end of the day today. 18.66% higher. I did not see what this news was on. If you guys know what news was driving Mullen higher, please let me know in the chat right now. CEI finishing lower 9% today. $1.98 per share on CEI. The SPY closing at 440 cents. BBIG 63 cents. Highcroft Mining 62 cents. Volatile after hours, man. Netflix closing the day at $367.96. Terra Luna Classic 17,142 points per coin. QQQ 287 and 8 finishing the day at $1.76. My goodness, oh, Bitcoin coming down right now. Bitcoin, what's going on, man? We're gonna watch Bitcoin as it goes out there. Dark Bro, you get honorable mention, man. Dark Bro, you get honorable mention. I don't know, man. Streamlabs must be messed up or something over the last day, over the last 24 hours, because it was telling me Dark Bro was first in the chat today, but maybe you guys were chatting so much that it erased Pika's chats. I have no idea. Pika's awake till Clay starts talking, and then she goes to sleep, Kai. And then she goes to sleep. Yeah, NVOS. Ryan, let's check out NVOS real quick, man. NVOS. Where we at here? Novo Integrated Sciences. Oh, yes. All right, man. This is very interesting. Novos. I really do not like stocks like this, okay? I really do not like stocks that literally do nothing but go down ever. This stock was at $1,000 after all of its reverse splits back in 2005. It has done nothing but come down since it was created. It touched 10 cents, currently sitting at 14 cents. So the stock has no level of resistance, essentially. But if we're looking at the daily graph right here, the only thing that you've got on the chart, if it continues to come down, okay, you have major resistance now in this area that was major support over the last couple of months here. But that's resistance at this point. The only hope that you have is if the current level does not hold up, man, this all-time low of 10 cents. That's the only thing. And hitting all-time lows is so dangerous because if it falls through this, I mean, there's basically there's nothing to stop it from falling lower. So this is just a bounce right here off 10 cents. People thinking it looks pretty cheap, so they begin to buy. But man, if this curls back over and breaks through this 10 cents, you run the risk of there being no support levels, and people will just sell it until they emotionally feel that it is cheap again, and then they're going to start buying. So I don't necessarily like these stocks that only ever go down, but hey, man, I guess if you time it, you can get a decent buy. And then if you're hoping for a gap fill, not guaranteeing a gap fill, but if you're hoping for a gap fill, you might be looking at 60 cents to get some sort of a technical gap fill there. I am one that believes gap fills are not necessary. Other people believe that gap fills have to happen. So this is where you'd be running to if you were expecting some sort of a gap fill, is the 60 cent range, not a 60 cent guaranteed. Timmy Pika, queen of the chat. Oh, and a unicorn just for La Pika Pika. Let's do it. Good afternoon, Nick F. Hopefully you're having a great day today, man. I'm glad you're in here. Oh my gosh, what? You guys should have taken advantage of the horn yesterday, man. It's not a bad horn today. I got you, Tim. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super chat, man. Absolutely love it. Pika Power, loving it as well. How about that, Mullen? Keith, man, I'm telling you, Mullen Auto, full of life. I don't know why Mullen Auto was running up today, though. If you guys know the news on Mullen Auto, let us know. But man, that purple line on Bitcoin turned into nice 2 green lines and beginning to rally higher now. So Bitcoin looking very strong right there. Let's see. Better hit the like button 10 times before I go to bed. Kai only hit the like button an odd amount of times ever. Let's see. Sean, what's happening, man? Clay Bro is back. Guess who's back? Clay is back. Back again. Oh, yes. We get a Superman fly across the cam that you do. Actually, just saying thank you for being so cool and informative. Sean, man, really appreciate that. Thank you for being in here and being so positive, man. I love it when people come in, they're all positive like that. What wallet y'all using for Glowstone? I use MetaMask and Ledger for ERC20. Always scared to use MetaMask for BNB coin. I downloaded Trust Wallet, but haven't used it yet. Yeah, so, look, dude, I don't have a problem with MetaMask, but if you want to use Trust Wallet, I like Trust Wallet. I believe Dark Bro was using MetaMask for Glowstone token, but if you want to use Trust Wallet, dude, I don't know. I don't mind Trust Wallet at all. Let's see. When the market climbs to its high levels again, do you think all these exchanges that filed for bankruptcy will reverse their positions, or bankruptcy is a done deal? So roulette wheel. I would imagine, okay, that the bankruptcy proceedings would be done by the time these exchanges make it through their bankruptcy hearings, or by the time the prices rise again to all-time highs. I think these bankruptcy proceedings will be over with. I think that FTX will be settled. I think that Voyager will be settled. I think that Celsius will be settled. I think that Genesis will be settled. That Gemini will be settled. That all these guys are going to be done with their bankruptcy proceedings, and they're going to go up again. They will be considered the winners, man. They will restructure. They're going to pay off everybody that was using their exchange, and some of them will continue to get new customers. And the new customers that they have, well, hopefully they're not us, right? Hopefully they're not us. But the new customers will be the ones that benefit or get screwed over in the next bull market. I think the businesses will, yes, remain, and I think that they will see the gains of the next bull market. A lot of these bankruptcies are restructuring bankruptcies, meaning that they're simply going to pay their debt down and they're going to continue on afterwards. So I would expect, yes, that these companies are still here and their bankruptcies will have been done by then, and they're going to be rebuilding their business just in time for the bull market and to potentially take advantage of a brand new breed of customers. Tony D, use MetaMask. Very nice. Easy to use Binance Smart Chain for MetaMask. Kenneth, we're both here. 19 cents Mullen, automatic weapons and commercial grade fire trucks. Anyone? Tim, man. I think everyone. Keep telling you to pick up Mullen in the 20s. It's going to take off and you're going to get left behind. Kenneth, I don't want to get left behind though, man. But every time, literally every time it goes down into the 20s. It's been out in the 20s for a couple days. And then it shoots back up to the 30s. And when it goes to the 30s, what's it do? Turns back around, man. It goes back down into the upper 20s. Kenneth, we ever going to see the teens again, man? We ever going to see the teens again on on Mullen Auto, or is it's upper 20s, the new teens? That's what I want to know. Bear market is over. Look at that. Archie calling the bear market over. If it is, I'm going to be very impressed, and I'm going to be very happy. I don't know if it's actually over, though. You just have to click 2 things to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. That's how I acquired XRP and Glowstone. Very nice. If you need help, I can help you. Dark Bro, do it, man. A lot of people seem like they want help, man. A lot of people seem like they want help. Make a video. I'm going to make a video on how to buy it. Perfect. I have a confession. You asked us to watch your videos last night, and I didn't. Sorry, Clay Bro. Kristen, it is okay. The good news is you can watch the videos tonight, because there will always be more videos coming out. So, confession accepted. No problems whatsoever. You can definitely watch the videos tonight. Nope, no upper 20s from all. Oh my gosh, Kenneth, we never going back down again? Oh my gosh. Kenneth, if you're telling me we're never going back down again, I got to get in now. Can you do a video on how to obtain bone? I think you have to stake Shib. Not sure where and how to do that. So, Sean, you don't have to stake Shiba Inu coin to get bone. I don't know what centralized exchanges Bone is on. I'm sure it's on a few of them. But Shiba Swap. Bone is on Shiba Swap, man. So if you... Let's see. Let's see if I can pull up Shiba here. If you wanted Bone, man, and you come out to... you can go to CoinMarketCap, or you can just go to Shib Token, shibatoken.com. Go to their website here. I think they got Shiba Swap loaded up. Yeah, so this is the Shiba Inu coin website, all right? And then you click on Shiba Swap. It's going to bring you this bad boy right here. And you can swap your coins. And from there, I don't have anything... Gosh, dude, why does this have to be so stinking difficult looking? Where is... Is this still just... This is just about Shiba Swap? Okay, so you can come over here then. Here's what I was, I guess, looking for. If you want to buy Bone, you're on Shiba Swap. You click on Buy Bone. Very easy there. What's it going to pull up? You would connect your wallet, all right? I'm not going to connect my wallet on here, but you would connect your wallet, and then you would basically just swap Ethereum for Bone. Wallet's connected. You make that swap. You're good to go. Should be fairly simple, but I'm not going to connect my wallet and do so. So all you're going to do, man, you're going to come out to shibatoken.com. You can get there through MetaMask, or you type in Shiba Token. Click on Shiba Swap, or go to Shiba Swap. But from there, where was I? You got to scroll up for some reason. And then just click Buy Bone. And it's going to be able to, you can connect your wallet, and then you can buy Bone there. So whatever wallet you want to use, you can connect that on Shiba Swap. It should be fairly simple at that point. All right, back in action. Let's see. Since your voice puts Pika to sleep, I'm going to leave you on a while. I'll leave you on while I try to sleep. I need all the help I can get. Tonight will be a rough night when all this rain freezes. Kai. Yeah, dude, tonight's actually going to be crazy. It is raining. It's been raining pretty steadily. Not a lot, but pretty steadily all day today. Hopefully this doesn't turn into a solid sheet of ice, man. That would not be good. Tony Deal, make a video for both, but good deal. But that's like 5 people already who want to know how to get it. So I'm going to get one done. There you go. I bought my glow stuff. There you go. Get it on eBay, man. eBay and Amazon, the only way to get it. And Claybro just exposed the bull crap about Shiba Swap. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, you saw it all. Skystonify. What's going on, Skystonify? Yeah, man, a lot of people will need it. You're talking about, the video, if you want to get glowstone. Yeah. Hit the like button if you like cookies. You know what, man? I do like cookies, and I can't click the like button. So you guys should make sure you click the like button. Only click it for you. I was going to say click it for you and click it for me, but then that would be you essentially clicked it off, the like button. Never click the like button an even amount of times. Always click it an odd amount of times. I signed up with Shiba Swap, but forgot my passphrase. Can't even get into it now, even after deleting and reinstalling. Well, that's extremely annoying. Yeah, dude, forgetting your passphrase absolutely sucks. Roulette wheel. Did you have a ton of stuff on there? Razi! What's going on, Razi? How you doing, man? So, guys, follow my YouTube channel. I'll post a video here. There you go, man. Post channel link dark. I think you can actually click on the little dots next to his name and pull up his channel right there now. Peach Gator. You get a Peach Gator, Razi. You got a little Peach Gator, man. Oh, yes. You know what I wanted to see? Since Bitcoin is running up and retesting 23,000, I wanted to see if Tectonic was doing the 2,400 points per coin where it's been for a while. So I got to come back out here and look up Tectonic and Tectonic. Tectonic is actually still at 2,400 points per coin, man. Only down 2% on the day. Holding strong in this 2,400 point per coin range. That is a very bullish move for Tectonic, man. The last 7 days have looked very nice, up 20% over the last 7 days. The last month, man, look at this, from 8,000 points per coin or 800 points per coin up to 2,400 points per coin, a 3x gain in the last month alone. 2023 has been very nice to Tectonic and literally every other cryptocurrency, with 3x gains in Tectonic is very strong there. Let's see. I added BNB chain to a MetaMask. Cool, Dark Bro. Check you out. Thanks, man. Absolutely, Tony D. I had 0 crypto, but still irritating. All right, good. If you had 0 crypto, I'm not terribly worried about it. The other part is irritating, yes, but I'm not terribly worried if you had 0 crypto. I hate when people lose money, and I hate when people lose their crypto like that. When does Tesla release earnings? JJ. I actually do not know. Let's see if they got any. You know what? Might be able to just Google it easier. Tesla earnings date looks. Is it tonight? 5:30? Yeah. Looks like the earnings call is tonight at 5:30, man. Looks like the earnings call is tonight at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. So in about an hour and 10 minutes, it seems like we're going to get Tesla earnings. Today, they were up 0.38% in anticipation of the earnings call. But man, oh man, we're going to have to see. The last few earnings have been very nice for Tesla. Beating EPS estimates by 5.20%, beating by 26%, beating by 42%, beating by 7%. And they had one revenue miss during the previous earnings call. They missed revenue by 2% in the third quarter of 2022 there. So, fourth quarter earnings release for 2022 happening tonight at 5:30 on Tesla. And, I mean, dude, their past earnings calls have been great, man. Past earnings calls have been great. So, we're going to have to see what they post this time. If it's good news, I would expect Tesla to go up. If it's bad news, I'd expect Tesla to come back down, possibly retesting 120, maybe even 100. That'd be wild if it was testing 100. But tonight at 5:30 is the earnings call for Tesla. Actually, let's see if we got anything in anticipation of the earnings there. See if people are buying and selling. No, sitting steady after hours right now. A little bit of a blip up and blip down. So people might be anticipating it a little bit right here. It doesn't seem like we're going to get the earnings just yet. Or maybe they've already released the earnings. We just have to wait on the call now. So it seems like they've released earnings and we're waiting on the call. 14 minutes ago, Tesla has EPS of $1.19, beating by 8 cents. And revenue right in line with expectations of $24.3 billion. And this beats the estimates that they had down here. But seemingly both of them were beats or right in line with estimates, man. So that is a solid sign. Seems like Tesla actually reported their earnings already. And you guys can see by the chart here, bouncing up and then right back down to where they were. I think a lot of people are anticipating the earnings call that is going to be taking place at 5:30. The earnings seem to have been very good, if you guys are wondering about that. For the people that like snow, why? It's cold, dangerous, dirty from the road, long hours to work, wear as many layers, but the core of your body is still cold. We are warm-blooded for a reason. Chris, I actually agree with you. I think the people that like the snow, like to look at the snow on trees and yards and possibly like winter sport activities like sled riding, snowboarding, skiing, and so on. I don't know of anybody. You guys, there's 49 of you in here. You correct me if I'm wrong or lie to me if you want. I don't know anybody that likes freezing temperatures, being cold and wet, and or driving in slushy, dangerous conditions. I think you guys would, I would have to assume that you're lying to me if you said that you liked those things. I think people just like the way that the snow looks in the yard, not necessarily the snow itself. The snow in the road, dude. Nobody can like snow in the road. Dangerous driving conditions, stress. It takes you longer to get there. You got to worry about whether or not you're going to wreck your car. There's a lot that you should not like about the snow. But people like the way that it looks, and people like to go snowboarding, skiing, and sled riding. Sure, I'm glad I'm in Tonic at 950. Could have got in around 800, but Clay Bro won't do a video, short or tic-tac on... We'll do a shorter tic-tac on it too, man. I should do a tic-tac on it. I should do a tic-tac on Tonic. Tic-tac-tonic, baby. Tic-tac-tonic should be the name of the tic-tac-tonic. Also, that's rhetorical. I'm busy and don't need a reason why you guys like... Dang it, Chris, and I just spent the last 5 minutes telling you why I think people like the snow. Oh my gosh. Hey, bro, so you think that AMC is going to keep going down, or you think it's going to do a reverse? Romero, I think that AMC is most likely going to follow the market. So if the market continues to go down, AMC is going to go down. If the market continues to go up, then AMC is going to continue to go up. As far as, like, short squeeze is concerned, dude, I'm of the opinion that Adam Aaron pretty much has or will 100% ruin all chances of a short squeeze once he merges Ape and AMC together and hedge funds are the majority owner. Once institutions own the majority of the shares or enough of them, you know, what are we going to squeeze? If they owe 200 million shares, but they own 500 million shares, we can't squeeze them. There's no squeezing somebody when they already own all of the shares that they need to own. So the only hope at that point would be if you believe in all of the naked shares existing. I'm not going to base my idea on something that is just like imaginary or hoped for. So that's kind of like why I'm discouraged on the idea of a short squeeze and all of that, man. But I still think it's going to follow the market. I don't think it's just going to tank down to nothing as the overall market is doing well. AMC is sitting on a lot of cash, dude. Adam Aaron raised a lot of cash by the expense of retail investors, and he's sitting on over $2 billion, I think. Those couple $1 billion could have been in the pockets of retail investors, but instead it's in the pockets of Adam Aaron and AMC. Let's see. What's the best to use to purchase GLON? I have Ethereum and USDC. Should I swap USDC to BNB? So I think you have to, Tony. I think you have to do it with Binance Smart Chain coin. I'm not 100% sure. I don't own any Glowstone or GLON. I don't know if I will ever own any Glowstone or GLON. But I think you got to do it with Glowstone or GLON. MO job, snow or threat of snow was a boon for business. Well, I don't know what you did, but I really don't like the snow, man. I really don't like the snow. For the reasons that I told you, I don't like the snow. A bear market is over. Archie celebrating a bull market return. I hope so. The only people that like the snow are the people that live where it does not snow like you. JJ, snow is so beautiful, isn't it? It is just so beautiful to see the snow right there. And wow. Yeah, you don't have to drive in it. You don't have to shovel your driveway. You don't have to shovel your sidewalk. You don't have to worry about slipping and falling. You don't have to worry about your shoes and socks getting wet. You don't have to worry about it being freezing cold. You don't have to worry about wrecking your car. You don't have to worry about salt on the roads and on your car. You got a lot that you don't have to worry about, man. Hold on. I keep clicking this button. All right, I think that's where the microphone's supposed to be. No reversal on Mullen anytime soon. Jimmy, man. Is it true? Did I miss my chance on Mullen Auto? What's good, bro? CJ killing him. How you doing? Please like. Listen to Pika Power and click the like button. I love the snow on the trees. On the trees, yeah, I agree, man. Snow's a nice sight. If I had to choose between leaves on a tree and, like, you know, squirrels playing or snow on a tree, I'm still going to choose leaves and squirrels playing. But it does look really nice. You know, some snow on the trees, some snow in the yards. It's a nice scene. Snow on the road, dude. I don't like snow on the road. I'm a driver, so I hate driving in this poopy Ohio snow rain. Yes, Keith. And that's the thing, too, man. It's bad enough when people have to, like, drive home and drive to work. But then guys that literally drive all day long working in it, it is gotta... I mean, Chris, I don't know. You guys, some of you guys might get used to it pretty quick, but it's gotta raise your stress level, man. It's got to raise your stress level, worrying about sliding and worrying about getting stuck in the slush and slipping and all of that. It has to raise stress levels. I like snowboarding, and it's a great season, but I can't risk getting another concussion. Yes, please do not go snowboarding and then die, Skystonify. That would not be good. When I was active duty in the Marines, I'd rather be cold than hot. Can always put on more clothes hot, so you can only get so naked. Yes, it is true. And I know people have used that kind of mentality before, but dude, I never want to get so cold that I have to layer up with more than like a coat. And I really don't want everyone to be so hot, dude, that I can't even escape it if I'm naked. Like, those are some extreme conditions, man. Those are extreme. Let's see. It was a vendor sales rep for Nestle Frozen Foods. Gotcha, man. Darn, Slayer. That would have been sweet. I missed what Slayer said. Darn it. For everyone who is interested in glow, so I'm going to make a YouTube short on how to purchase tonight. There you go, Dark Bro. I love it. You guys can check out Dark Bro there. Can you imagine waking up to a portfolio value of $500,000 from a $10,000 investment, something like Crow, Shiba, LUNC, or Ethereum? Hydration overload. Oh, la. Sean Guerrero, man. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I don't know if you would wake up with a 50x gain. Waking up to a 50x gain would be wild. But I do think that you could see a 50x gain over a several month or year-long period. Absolutely. Dude, if you look at Bonk, you know, I'm not ever saying go put $10,000 in a coin like Bonk. But if you look at Bonk in 1 week went from 30x in 1 week at the beginning of the year. And that would have turned $10,000 into $300,000 in a 1 week period on a no known token. I mean, if you see this, I don't know where it's at today. It's probably losing value like crazy, but... You know, this is real money here. This is real money that at the beginning of the year, this coin's launched on December 31st, last day of 2022. And it's down here with like 6 or 7 zeros, whatever it is, and then it 30x's in value by January 5th. 5 days, 30x your money. And it is back down now, absolutely. But 5 days, dude, 30xing your money. You don't wake up to it, but, dude, you 30x in a week and you go from 10 grand to $300,000. Yeah, man, you're talking some sick moves at that point. Let's see. Driving trucks does suck in the snow, but not as bad as ice. Ice is terrible, man. Now I'm afraid to go in. Honestly, I feel like it might get back down to 16, 18. Well, I hope so. That way I can get in. Slayer, you talking Bitcoin or you talking something else, man? I'm not worried about my driving. I'm worried about what other... Yeah, no, Keith, exactly, though, man. But that adds to the stress. You know what I mean? Like, you got to worry about, is this guy going to stop? Is this guy going to slide? Or am I going to slide into this guy? There's a lot you do have to worry about. Dude, Bitcoin is just rolling, man. $23,090 right now. Who would have guessed that Bitcoin would have gone after touching 22.3 earlier this morning, all the way back up to 23,100 right now? Bitcoin, man, making moves, and I think Bitcoin at 23.3, it's going to be testing a new recent high. Bitcoin turning green today And that is very bullish. So if Bitcoin breaks out of this, look at this here, man. Bitcoin doing very nice. We know all this stuff, but Bitcoin rolling up and retesting this resistance in here at 23,000. If Bitcoin breaks through this, I think we're jumping to 25. You guys can see these levels right in here, and 24, 25 is the next and really only level of resistance until you get back to 30,000. If Bitcoin runs to 30,000, man, people are going to be talking about it like crazy. They're going to be saying the bull market might be back if Bitcoin jumps up through 23, 24, 25, and then touches 30. People are going to get excited about that, and people might flow back into the crypto space. Let's Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. My goodness, where are my manners? Here you go, Patrick, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. That authorized hydration feels so good, man. So good. Thank you very much for that coffee. Absolutely appreciate it. It is water that I'm drinking there, but he sent a coffee. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration, Pat. Your manners are awesome. Litecoin performs better than Bitcoin. Project Moon. Where's Litecoin at, man? We get to go see what Litecoin's doing today. All right. Litecoin. Bitcoin is up 2.02%. Litecoin is up 3.20%, 3.30% right now. Very good looking on Litecoin. Yes, Litecoin since the beginning of the year going from $68, $70 all the way up to $90. So Litecoin looking very good as well. And Litecoin having a little trouble in this area. We're at wick down. Support, 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 support. If it breaks it, I think you're going back to $100. Nice 10% increase. If you break that, you're coming up to this level of resistance, and then from there, yeah, you might have trouble in the 106 to 110 range. But Litecoin, nonetheless, man, Litecoin looking very good over the last couple of months, doubling in price, $47 to $93, looking very nice there. 100% gain on Litecoin. If you would have gotten in down here at these lows that you touched at the beginning of November. So, dude, two month time frame, double your money. You can't beat that at all. Litecoin looking solid, and Bitcoin running, man. Bitcoin sitting at 23,191, 23.2 right now. Oh my gosh. 23,250. It's going on a little. It's going for a jog. Crypto's going for a jog, ladies and gentlemen. 23.2, 23.3. If it breaks, dude, it's going to hit a new recent high. 23.320, 23.320, 23.320, 23.50, right? 23.52 is the recent high that we have hit. Let's break it, let's break it, let's break it. 23.320. I don't know why that came back down a little bit. But yes, we're going to watch that go on right there. Just tell me where and when. Something, I will. Bitcoin to 40,000 in April. Jimmy, you got it, man. BTC would be crazy. Something. Oh, Solana. I thought you meant 16,000, not $16. Bitcoin at $16 would be insane, yes. When Asia wakes up and sees Bitcoin, it's going to pump. Very well could, man. Tim, it is looking good right now. Very strong. I hear you. Key CDO holders are disappointingly held responsible for other drivers. Dang it, man. Any CDO guys out there, shout out to you driving in all conditions. Guys, please just know that I'll be the first YouTube video I've ever posted, so if it's cringe, I apologize. Dude, never apologize for a cringe video, man. Everything that I do is cringe. Just don't apologize. Just roll with it, man. Just roll with it. You do you, man. The more you post, the better you'll get. And if you don't get better, you'll just get more used to it. So you're okay. Hello, everyone. Sarah the Step 50 Shades of Green is in the chat. Sarah the Step Croy, how you doing today? 10% increase on Litecoin. That's Kia Forte money, baby. 10% on Kia Forte. Joke all in one. Yeah, Tim. 10% gain on Litecoin is not a bad gain, man. That's a solid gain. 10% is amazing. Not as good as your gains, but 10% is an amazing gain. I will take a jog over and run anytime, especially in the market. Dude, I'll take a jog too, man. This little jog on Bitcoin right now, 23,320, looking very good. Green line after green line after green line after green line after green line. Let's go off the chart, baby. Shiba Inu coin running nicely as well. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1162. Bitcoin sitting at $23,214. Roll. Make it happen. Bro, YouTube ain't my bag. Watch now, Bruce. At least on here anyway. TikTok. Now that's a different story. YouTube Shorts, no different than TikToks, man. They're literally the same thing. And as a matter of fact, you can post it on TikTok and then you can bring it over and post it on YouTube. I've just bought some Jasmy. Very nice. Sarah Step, 50 Shades of Green. Let's see what Jasmy's doing today. I've not seen that in a while. We're going to look at Jasmy right after I say... Sean, man! Mr. Guerrero! Thank you very much for the super chat. My gosh, man. Dude! I must contribute. Sean, man, thank you. My gosh. 100%. You're the only channel I've contributed to, whatever that's worth. Look, man, thank you that is incredible, Sean. Keep up the great work. Let's see Superman fly for the Bulls. I'll make him fly all day long. Go, Shiba. Go, Clay, bro. God bless, bro. Jesus loves you, bro. Thank you very much. He loves you, too, as well, Sean. And I got the Superman for you. I got it. Yes, Sean, dude, thank you very much. I'm gonna have to make sure I don't pass out on that one. And I'm even gonna throw my own authorized hydration on that one. Sean, amazing, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Oh my gosh. The only super chat he's ever sent, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I love it. Mr. Guerrero. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, Sean. And Sean is single-handedly causing the Bitcoin rally right now. I know he is. His excitement is causing Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, all of these cryptos to run. Boom, 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 boom. Sean, man, thank you very much. Dude, I freaking love YouTube. I'm a YouTube mechanic, and now I've been navigating crypto the past year through YouTube. Boom, Tony, perfect, man. Sean coming in very hot. Sean looking good on that one. Thank you very much for that super chat, Sean. Incredible. Little bro, you good? Lucy, I think I'm good. I'm out of breath right now. Little Lucy Rage, I'm out of breath right now. Sean made me lose my breath on that Superman. But, yes, I am very good. Guys, look at these green lines, man. Look at how bullish this looks right now. This is phenomenal when you look at it. All afternoon, nothing but gains, retesting recent highs. Shiba Inu coin not even throwing a purple line on the chart over the last, 20 minutes? Looking phenomenal at the moment. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1167. Bitcoin trying to tap back down, but I'm telling you, it's just a little bit of volatility rolling up from 22,800 back here up to $23,250. $300 gains in Bitcoin in the last, 20 minutes or so. Looking very, very good right now. Now, I know it's only a couple percent move higher, but nonetheless, a nice bullish move. We just don't need any purple lines to end this. I love this. Shiba Inu coin looks really bullish, though. Dogecoin looking the same. Yeah, Dogecoin doesn't look as bullish, but it still looks good. Ethereum still looking very nice here, tapping $1,600 again. But my goodness, man, the bullishness in Bitcoin right now is looking solid. I want to see that bad boy get off the screen. Let's go. Sorry I'm late, boss. It's all right, transparent. At least you're here, man. At least you're here. Saying it already, if Claybro don't pass out on the Superman, didn't earn it. I did feel close on that one, man. It was a lot of breath right there. It was a lot of breath. Sorry, a bit slow on that one with a hydration. You're never slow, Pat. You're never slow. Thank you very much. for the authorized hydration, Pat. Loving it. Dark Bro says, only one thing to say. When Brocoin, I got ideas. Oh, no, that's not a crown. That's a little explosion. With a unicorn, man. He's got ideas for Brocoin. Dude, I love ideas for Brocoin, especially if they mean potential utility. Let's go. Let's get that unicorn going right now. We've got a... Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the unicorn. Absolutely loving that. You guys are killing it. Sean, man, I still see your pink name at the top of the screen, dude. Thank you very much for that super chat, Pat, Dark Bro, all you guys. Coin up to something. Oh, Coinbase up to very nice, JJ. I don't own any Coinbase, though. Ethereum is going to pump even harder. Lucy Rage, it very well could. Ethereum is looking pretty good right now, up 3.30%. While Shiba Inu coin is up 4.5%. This is your Ethereum down here, up 3.26%. Shiba is up 4.51%. Dogecoin is up 3.30%. And Bitcoin is up 2.70% at the moment. I'm telling you guys, it is getting ready. It is getting ready. If it taps through that line, we might see a run to 24. My gosh, if it taps through that line, things are going to get exciting. Clay Bro, everybody who rode out the bloodbath just looking for a ray of sunshine. This is how retail turns it around. That's what I'm saying, man. I hope so. Now, retail's got like a limited amount of money. We need to see institutional money flowing into the crypto space if we want to see some massive gains. And then get some retail FOMO on top of that to send it even through, like send it through the roof. But yeah, right now I think that retail investors should be excited. Shiba Inu to pool do Iowasim becoming a bro, man. Thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. If anybody out there has clicked the subscribe button, thank you for doing so. I'm late because I was watching your previous videos. Ronald, thank you. Anybody that watches the videos, absolute thank you to you guys. Views have been a little bit lower, but I appreciate all of you guys watching them, supporting them, clicking the like button, commenting. And man, I'm telling you, Bitcoin throwing a green line on there. If it breaks, it's going to go. Crypto pumping in Asia is waking up. I like it. First long call ever bought. We'll see what we got here. So a week ago, my Mullen call I bought shot up 1,300%. Paid $7, cashed out around 90. Yes. Oh my gosh, Keith, that is absolutely incredible, man. Dude, $7 to $90, man. You can't beat that at all. Keith, first call ever. Absolutely killed it, man. Now, we know that it's not commonplace for Mullen Auto or any share to just jump up 20% like it did today. But the fact that you got in, it was $7, man. You rode that bad boy up to $90, cashed it out. You killed that trade, man. Very good job on that call. Don't get used to it, okay? In the sense that if you think you're going to go drop $90 on a call, it's going to run up to $1,000 and so on. You could easily lose that $90 if you go bet the whole thing on something. But yeah, very, very nicely done on that Mullen Auto call, man. That's one of the benefits of options, guys, is leverage. You can use options to leverage your position, running from $7 to $90. Incredible. Don't forget to look up Jasmy, Clay. Oh yes, Sarah Destat 50 Shades of Green. Jasmy, I already did forget to look up Jasmy because Sean killed it, man. Sean killed it with that super chat there. We're going over here. Jasmy down 2.25% today. Half a cent per coin. 0.005277. $244 million market cap. Turning back up, man. Up actually about 5% since noon here. Up about 5%. Looking very good. I don't know when you got in, but if you got in like 4 or 5 hours ago, you're already up 3, 4, 5%, Sarah. Not bad at all there. Over the last 7 days, looking pretty strong. Over the last month, looking very strong, up 100%. 3 months, kind of back to where it was 3 months ago. And a year-long graph, still very low. So you've got a lot of upside potential going all the way up to 5 cents. Would be a 10x gain if it gets to where it was 1 year ago. So, Jasmy, very, very cheaply priced coin at the moment, but it is down in value a lot because it has been diluted a lot over the last couple of years here. So something to think about if you guys are interested in getting into Jasmy. It's trying to make a little bit of a rebound right now, following the overall crypto market higher. No Tesla action on earnings, and I'm sitting on a strangle that's going to get IV crushed tomorrow. Mamma mela. Don't worry, you still have one chance for some volatility because the earnings call is placed for 5:30. So I know the earnings report has come out. And the earnings report did not do much at all to Tesla, sitting literally 0.50% higher, which is the 0.5% higher after hours, jumping up to 150 and right back down to where it was, coming back down, sitting, oh my gosh, dude, it might as well be break even right now, 0.40% higher after hours. The good news for you is that you might see some volatility on their earnings call. Their earnings call comes out at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, so in about 40 minutes. 40 minutes, they're going to be on a call there, and then you could get some volatility. I don't know if you will. The earnings looked pretty good, so I don't know what they could say to make it volatile, but it's not like you have nothing to hope for right now. You still got a chance for volatility. You can leave all your bro coin with me. Trust me, bro. I know a guy knows a guy with the initials SBF. Well, shoot, man. If you know a guy with the initials SBF, I can definitely trust you. Lucy. What did Lucy say? We're going to take it to the moon. Let's do it. 3:15 here in Asia. Boom. Lucy's in Asia right now. All right. I'll take it, man. Let's see. Clay, what do you say about QNT? Will it come back to 100? Man, Wasim. You know what? We haven't looked up QNT in a little while. Let's take a look at QNT here. Quant, I believe, is this token. Yes, Quant is this coin. Where are we at? Quant sitting at 157. All-time graph. Will it ever come back down to $100? I do think it can come back down to this range right here, man. After running up to like 180, it did drop back down to about $100 here. Running up to 150 again, could run into resistance in this area, you know, the 180 level that we touched back here, and could curl back over. It is going up right now because over the last month, crypto has been doing very well. So I think it's following the overall cryptocurrency market higher. Do I think that it could touch 100 again? Yes. Why? Because I think that crypto in general can curl back over, and we could go back down and see $16,000, $17,000 Bitcoin, and we could absolutely see $100 Quant in that sense. You know, I don't think that $800 point Shiba Inu coin is out of the question again. If Bitcoin curls back over, man, if they start to talk about regulations or bans or laws and things like that, and the crypto space becomes very uncertain, well, you know, you could see a nice sell-off. So I do think it's possible to see $100 Quant again if Bitcoin falls. And I think the Bitcoin can fall again. I don't think it's guaranteed to go up. It just looks so strong right now. You know, I'm basing that on a lot of stuff happening. If that stuff doesn't happen, dude, Bitcoin looks very strong right now. $23,300 on Bitcoin, testing resistance. It wants to break that resistance level. It obviously wants to break that resistance level. Let's see. I think when tax returns start coming, crypto's going to run. Tony, that's a good point there, man. People like to spend their tax returns on investments, and cryptocurrency could be one of them. Shiba Inu coin running up with green line after green line, man. Things are looking good right now. I drive all day. HVAC technician Jimmy. Well, stay safe, dude, especially if you get snow where you're at. Hey, Clay, big fan. I'm a big fan of yours. Nah, what is this? Nah, heat was in my yo. It was high. It was him, yo. There's the name. It was him, yo. 312, man. I might just call you 312 or nah. Dial Up Survivor, what's good? Oh, Clay, bro, big fan. I usually miss your lives as I'm working in Australia this time. Keep up the good vids. Hey, thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate you being in here and the positive feedback. Whatever happened to Saitama? You know what? Saitama still exists. Saitama has been riddled and plagued with problems since its inception. But, hey, Saitama continues to move on, and they continue to innovate. So, I longed APT when it was 370 with 89% of my funds with leverage. It went down to 306, liquidated me on 312, and then it's the only one rising so much these days. Imagine how much I'd have made. Oh my gosh, Lucy. And Lucy, let me tell you, speaking from experience, okay? Leverage sucks. Leverage sucks. I don't care if it is like a 2x leverage, 5x, 20x, 100x leverage. Leverage sucks in the sense that if you don't time it perfectly, you are going to lose. You have to time a leverage trade perfect. Otherwise, you're going to lose out. You know, if it wouldn't have been on leverage, you'd be doing well right now. Because it was on leverage, you lost. And even if you follow technical analysis and you're extremely disciplined, you're only going to be able to time it perfectly 70% of the time, because that's the maximum accuracy that you can get. And if you continue to play on very high leverage, you know, every next trade could be your last trade. So yeah, Lucy, I completely understand that. Leverage is a losing man's game. It really is. It's a losing man's game. Because unless you hit one trade and it's like you're leaving the casino at that point, the next one could be bad news. And as we're talking about that, we've got really good news. Bitcoin hitting a new recent high right now. Bitcoin touching $23,380, $90, $23,420, $23,415, $23,420. Bitcoin, $23,400+ right now. Bitcoin is running. Ladies and gentlemen, new recent high being hit today. Looks very good on the daily chart. $23,436 is the high on the daily, and $23,438 hitting a new recent high right now. It is just rolling. Bitcoin is looking good, man. Let's see. Hey, what's up, bro? And everybody, Michael Colela, how you doing? Oh, Coleo, how you doing? TBO. Can he sell now? No. Why? Because he needs $4 billion in buying pressure, liquidity to sell, so must probably market will pump something. I don't know if you're talking about me or Sam Bankman-Fried or somebody else. I think Robinhood will go bankrupt because of FTX, or is our crypto safe on Robinhood? Junior, honestly, I think Robinhood's going to be safe. Robinhood's not going to go bankrupt because of the shares being liquidated, but the price of Robinhood can come down with those shares being liquidated. So watch out for that if you own it. But, you know, Sam Bankman-Fried liquidating those shares in order to pay for his bankruptcy proceedings and stuff is not going to affect Robinhood's revenue at all. It would just affect the sale of like 10% of Robinhood shares, which would cause a decline in price. It's not going to affect Robinhood's actual revenue whatsoever. If the FOMC meeting comes out with a 25 basis point rate hike instead of 50, look out. I think they're going to press the 50 once more. And then if inflation rolls back, then we'll see the 25. And you know what, Sean? Absolutely. I'm not 100% convinced either way that it's going to be 25. God, Bitcoin is looking so good right now. That it's going to be 25 or 50. I'm kind of flip-flopping back and forth. I was much more confident in the 50s in prior times than I am right now. Gosh, Bitcoin looks so good. But I think that it could go either way with 25 or 50. 25 to 75x on all trades here. Transparent trading. You're nuts, man. You're nuts. I like it, though, if you win, dude. If you lose, it sucks, doesn't it? It was very sad, transparent trading live, but with this mini rally, I would have made 67% of my portfolio on future trading. More coming in. There you go. Junior, I think Robinhood is safe about FTX shares. Yeah, Junior, so I do think that Robinhood is safe. The price of Robinhood is not safe. So if they liquidate 10% of Robinhood, it's going to be very difficult for Robinhood's price to maintain those levels. But just because you have a falling share price does not mean your company is going bankrupt. In order to go bankrupt, Robinhood has to stop making money. And I don't think FTX selling them is going to do any of that. I think it all has to deal with just simply the share price of Robinhood. So I do think that Robinhood could see a decline in price if those shares are liquidated. Bitcoin guys sitting at $23,691 a minute ago. $23,550 right now. Man, soaring higher this afternoon. And just so you guys can see, this is exactly what happens when you break these levels. Bitcoin broke out of this little level of resistance at 23,100 and boom. It shoots up $500 to 23,600. And right now we're starting to talk resistance in this area. We might roll to 23.8. up to 24. If we test 25, guys, if we break this line right here, if Bitcoin breaks this line where it wicked down and tapped right here, if it breaks this 25 area, we are going back to 28, 29, 30. So we've got to keep our eyes on this. This little wick down and this little test up, if it breaks that area, it is going to be a magic carpet ride, man. It is going to be looking very good on Bitcoin. And you're going to see a lot of people starting to talk about the bull market is back, baby. And if that's the case, dude, we might see some of these little altcoins rally hard right now. Let's see. I have been hedging crypto with 25 leverage using cross margin. You just have to be mindful of your position sizes. Please, transparent. Tell these people that you need to be mindful. If you go in there, man, and you leverage your whole portfolio on a 25x, all you need to see is a 5% decline and your entire portfolio is wiped out. 4% decline, actually. And your entire portfolio is wiped out. So you absolutely have to maintain a lot of discipline. Because you might think, dude, if I 25x, if I 10x my portfolio because Bitcoin's rolling right now, it's going to feel so good. The temptation is there. Oh, my God, the greed's going to set in. And all of a sudden, Bitcoin drops 4%. Boom. You lost all of your money at that point. Leverage is very dangerous. Let's see. Clear up. Pakistan in the house. We got Pakistan in the house. All right, man. Asia's rocking the ever-living F out of the Bitcoin. It is looking good right now. My gosh, guys. Climb back after the FTX fall. Andre, I'm telling you, it is going up, man. Mr. Bryant, I did a contract tour in Helmand province, bro. I'm sorry. You're in the Afghanistan. Something. Afghanistan, Pakistan. Hey, bro. Hey, my bro. Hope you're well. Marky Fonz doing very well. Hopefully you're well as well. Wonder if Matt Kors is still shorting Hood these days. Side note, I wish my third grade teacher would give Kors the dark closet treatment. I actually have no idea what Matt Kors is shorting or not, but what I do know is Bitcoin is rolling. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin is rolling. 15% max leverage. Gotcha. Oh yeah, you only use 1% of your portfolio per trade. Transparent trading. There you go, man. If you're disciplined enough to do that, I think that you're good. You gotta, like, that's the thing. You could just get screwed so fast on leverage, especially if you hit 2, 3, 4 trades in a row and you're like, boom, I'm going, man. I'm going. Gone. No leverage, you can hold forever. You know, no leverage and you can hold forever. Leverage and you can get liquidated. That's the part that I don't like. Jim Cramer was talking about cryptocurrency. Asian influencer Cramer. Inverse, baby. We got it. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. I could watch this Bitcoin line all evening, but I got to make sure that I get the videos out for tonight. Cryptocurrency is looking solid right now. I don't think that the bull market is here. I'm just trying to bring us back down to reality a little bit. We have got a massive run going on. But in order for it to be sustainable, we need to see interest rates, inflation falling, earnings going up. And right now it's a price rally, and a beautiful one at that. $23,722 on Bitcoin is very nice. Ask that you guys watch the videos a couple times tonight. Share them. Views are very low right now. It's discouraging when views are low, all that good stuff. So please support the channel. Watch it. Click the like button. Share it with your friends. All of that. Comment. And thank you very much in advance for doing so. But nonetheless, man, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs, and we're going to be back. Gosh, dude, it's going to run to 24. Bitcoin is just ripping, man. It's going to run to 24 here in a second. It's just nothing but green. $23,750 being hit. I think that it could run to green names, or to green lines all the way up to 24. All right, guys, we're going to get off. Appreciate you for being in here. Get your names in the chat, and we will be back tonight with videos. It's a sign that bro coin must happen. Dark bro. Signs of a bull market are signs of a bro coin coming soon. Tony D. See you later. Transparent. Tim, man. See you later. Slayer JC. Dark bro. Iwasim. See you later. Mama Mela. Enjoy your evening. Dark bro. See you later. Transparent trading. Scott Stone of 5. Snake Fox. See you later. Slayer JC. Tim. Slayer. J Bones, man. Enjoy your evening. Marky Foz. Mr. Brian. Keith Kemp. Andre Miller. Johnston Town, man. Enjoy your night. Transparent trading. Peace out to you, Marky Foz. Chris Asim. Peace to you. Tony D. See you later. The franchise later, bro. Mama Mela loves the blue pumpkins. Sean Guerrero, thank you very much for that super chat, Sean. Absolutely appreciate that, dude. I truly do. You guys are incredible, extremely generous. And Sean, man, I hope you have a wonderful night. Thank you again for that. DD214, man. Snake Fox, Thomas DX, Nufo, Pika Power, the Pulto, Ahoo. Lucy, see you later. Enjoy your day in Asia, correct? Enjoy your day now. Jimmy, see you later. Tim and Lucy Rage, Mark Foz, J Bones, peace out, man. Snake the Fox, MBN, see you later. Mark Foz, later SD. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.